Good morning, students. In the last class itself, we have started with the circuits robots chapter and we have completed with the page number 54. And now we are going to start with the page number 55. And we have learned that different kinds of robots are there. You can see the human being sitting in the car, and this is the yellow robot, and these are the blue robots. And this is the yellow repair robot, and these are the transport robots. This is neither a construction robot nor the transport robot or a repair robot, neither a droid nor android. It is human, answers the transport robot to small yellow robot. So now the blue robot is answering the yellow robot that whatever you are seeing and whatever you are talking about, it is not robot, droid. So the meaning of droid is a robot or program that collects information, and android is that looks like a human. For the yellow robot, he is never seen human. So the yellow robot has never seen the human before, and he was very surprised to see the human. So he asked that is T59, it's a transport robot, that what is that creature. He got the answer. So the T59 replied that it is a human being, it is not a robot. So the yellow robot was very surprised to see the human. This person, he came off his car. He was talking to robots, and you can see in the picture that you can see is talking to the robots, the four robots who are escorted for the human. And you can see the yellow robot, and you can see the human is very short, is very small, and it is a comparison between two robots. Their person are looking very strong, and these person are looking very weak, right? Wow, a human. I have never seen one, said R62. So I told you that the yellow robot has never seen before the human. The human stepped out the vehicle and was surrounded by four escort robots. He looked a bit small in comparison to robots. So you can see the picture I have showed you. The four escorted robots are here, and you can see the yellow robot, and there is the human. What a wimp, said R62 after getting his first impression. So, wimp meaning is someone who is not strong. So, said R62 after getting his first impression. So, when R62 saw the human being, was very surprised because he found the person who is not strong. This was the first impression which it came from his mind. Whose mind? That is R62. Don't underestimate the humans. They are superior to us. They are able to perform any action they want to, even those which robots cannot perform, such as giving orders to robots, destroying them, or constructing new ones. They are even able to harm another human being or organize mass destruction, which they have been doing a lot in history. Also, they do not even have to follow orders. If they do not want to, said the transport robot T59 quietly to the yellow robot beside him. So the T59, that is the transport robot, is telling that don't underestimate the human beings. You don't know about them. So the meaning of underestimate, to think that something is smaller or weaker than it is really is. So the T59 is telling that they are superior to us. They can complete the task which you can't do. So don't underestimate the humans, okay? And also they can which robots cannot perform, such as giving orders to robots, destroying. They can destroy them or construct new ones. They can destroy the robots and construct the new robots. They are even able to harm another human being or organize mass destructions, which they have been doing a lot in history. Also, they do not even have to follow orders if they do not want to, said the transport robot T-59 quietly to the yellow robot beside him. So the T-59 told about the human. They can destroy us, that is the robots. So don't underestimate. He was telling to the R62, that is the repair robot. What a dangerous thing. I can only repair cars, said R62. So R62 is telling that what a dangerous thing that only I can do, only I can repair the cars, that's all. So if you try to harm the humans or give orders to them, your circuits will blow up, said T-59. So if you try to harm them, the T-59 is telling that R62, for the R62, if you try to harm the humans or give orders to them, your circuits will blow up, said T-59. The humans started to walk in the direction of the repair sector. So the humans started to walk in the direction of the repair sector. Look how it walks. It is not fully straight like a robot, said R62. So R62 is telling that, look how it walks. It is not fully straight like a robot. So it is not fully straight like a robot. See how it walks. The human called for the robots to fall in and all the robots formed lines. The sector IC robot approached the human to answer the routine question. The human asked for production, statistics and got rapid, accurate answers from the IC robot. Then the human asked if there had been any problems of any kind of or accidents in the last 10 years, and he only got rapid, no sir, as answers. So here, so the R62 was telling that it is not fully straight like robot. The human called for the robots to fall in and all the robots formed lines. So the humans called for the robots to fall in and all the robots formed the lines. So all the robots were formed the lines. The sector IC robot approached the human to answer the routine question. So the sector IC robot came forward and he answered all the routine questions. So human asked for the production statistics and got rapid, accurate answers from the IC robot. So the human got the answer from the IC robot for all the questions. Then the human asked if there had been any problem of any kind of accidents in the last 10 years, and he only got rapid, that is no sir, as answers. So the human asked that if there had been any problems of any kind of accidents in the last 10 years, he asked that. So no sirs as answers. So robots have not got or accidents, they have not went to the accidents at all. So what is the question, other questions which human were asked, we'll be discussing in the next class. Okay, so thank you students.